Yo, what's up, YouTube? I've been getting pranked pretty hard the last few days. Feeling a little sick. Haven't been sleeping well. Just thinking about pranks all the time. But when you got a mind like this, and you've been thinking about pranks for 3 days straight, sometimes something special happens. And you're about to see the one prank that's gonna turn the tide of this whole situation. So, let's go. I'm here outside Dan's door. I'm gonna take the door off the hinges, and when Dan comes home, the door is gonna fall when he tries to go in. He's gonna lose it. Prank universe is gonna explode. Let's do this. Dan's got fucking sharp nails sticking out of his floor. What's up, YouTube? Dan's door is off the hinges. Gonna take this for a test spin. Oh shit. It's gonna be pretty good. So Dan doesn't get home for like 3 hours, so probably just hang out in here.
Oh my, then what am I doing with this $8,000 check? I thought that went for 200.
Yeah, well, we overpaid, on account of, we're making a fortune at the shop. God, I hate Kathy Bowman.
Yo, what's up, YouTube? Got about an hour before Dan gets home still. Got Braden here.
What up, YouTube? Chilling, straight chilling like a villain, man. We got no more prank stink. Oh, my hair's burning. We got these eggs. What up? This is a prank right now. This is Dan's hat. Ha!
Dan. What's up, Prank Universe? I've been in Dan's room for 8.5 hours now. He's just texted me, says he just ordered a 41-ounce steak, and he's just being a slob at some restaurant while I sit in his fucking room eating crackers on his bed. So I just fixed his door. I'm gonna have to just try this tomorrow. So I pranked myself. So maybe this is actually prank number 5.
Yo, what up, YouTube? I just watched the video of Jason trying to prank me by taking my door off the hinges. Turns out I never came home, so he waited all day, and he actually got kind of worried about like me not seeing the door come off the hinges, so he put it back on the hinges. So door's good. There's nothing wrong with the door here. It's working good. So really, it looks like Jason got pranked again. That's prank number 4. Jason got pranked, trying to prank me. I don't got that prank stank. Nobody can touch me. I'm untouchable. I'm prankable. Yo, we got Billy over here. He's editing footage. He's about to cut me not getting pranked into the prank so it turns into Jason's prank. I'm gonna take myself into the prank chamber and talk about it. Yo, what up, YouTube? I'm here in the prank chamber by myself, solo, unpranked. I never get pranked. This is the thing, Jason. You gotta realize that deep down, you're the one who's getting pranked all the time. Even when you're trying to prank me, you're getting pranked. Yo, it's kind of crazy being in the prank chamber all by myself. I feel like somebody should be talking to me, but I'm just here, I'm out here doing this myself because I'm unprankable. So you better get with it. Jason, if you're gonna prank me, you gotta make sure I actually come home. Can't prank someone when they're not home. That's it, YouTube.